all in a day's work on the high iron.
Hum a river on the rails, across the Negev, where ancient stories sleep. Dust motes dancing, sun that never fails, promises the heart can hold and keep. A lone star hangs in the indigo deep. Desert heart, it beats in time through the canyons and the holy lands, finding hope in the bells that chime, a thread of light held in these open hands, connecting stranger, friend and distant sands. On a breeze, a painted side, red rock mesas touch the Christmas blue. Every window shows the world roll by, faces blur but something still shines through, a quiet strength forever old and new. Canyons and the holy lands, finding hope in the bells that chime, a thread of light held in these open hands, connecting stranger, friend and distant sands. Travelers on this turning sphere, carried onward by a silent grace, letting go of every doubt and fear, finding solace in this empty space, a reflection in a stranger's face.
If you like this desert holiday adventure, like and subscribe.